I think Mr. Red has come to join the party. There is a red squirrel somewhere in those trees. Can you see? Mr. Red, Mrs. Red, who shall you be? Come out, wherever you are, so everybody can see. I can hear you, and I saw you earlier. Now you're hiding behind that tree. You gonna come out and get some bread too? There's some bread right there for you guys. Come out and get some. Everybody seems to like that little area of brush right there. It goes down in the valley. Got nice little trees. All the animals seem to keep going.